Let us see what happens in menstrual phase. Menstrual phase from approximately day 1 to day 5. It is characterized by discharge of what is called as menstrual flow. Menstrual flow, also known as menses. This menstrual flow contains necrotic or dead tissues. Necrotic tissues, the slough of endometrium, related tissues, it also contains blood and tissue fluid. During this period, the level of estrogen and progesterone will be very low. And this decrease in the concentration of estrogen and progesterone will have a negative feedback, and this negative feedback will be operating on pituitary and hypothalamus. As we have discussed earlier, this negative feedback is for the release of FSH and then LH, for which hypothalamus has to release the concerned releasing hormones. So these are the events associated with the menstrual phase. The follicular phase is also called proliferative phase. Proliferative phase. It is from, let us say, day 5 to day 13. Day 5 to day 13. Due to the negative feedback on pituitary and hypothalamus, there is release of FSH from the pituitary under the influence of FSH-RH from the hypothalamus. So, about 6 to 8 follicles start undergoing development. Follicle stimulating hormone. So about 6 to 8 follicles start developing. There is proliferation of the granular cells, proliferation of granular cells. So estrogen level increases. Around day 7, one follicle reaches the final stage of development to become a tertiary follicle. Others simply degenerate. So one follicle reaches final development, becomes tertiary follicle, and it is going to become the Graafian follicle. Uterine blood vessels differentiate again. Uterine blood vessels differentiate. Endometrium becomes glandular. In the cervix, strands develop, mucous strands develop to see that in case sperms are received, they are directed to move forwards. These mucous strands help in the movement of the sperms.